The first thing, for those of you who don't think historically, is we've actually seen this movie before. And to quote an everyday expression, what goes up must come down. So let me tell you what I mean by that. Under Minister Kada Asma, if you live long enough, you will remember that all of us stood in horror as we saw the matric results between 1999 and 2003 climbed dramatically into the 70s. You might recall that. And I was one of those that said this is unrealistic. Why? Because in statistical terms, a whole system that is 400 or 500,000 kids can't get smarter in 9 months. It's impossible. You don't suddenly get smarter, okay, in a period of 9 months, just like you don't get dumber in a period of 9 months, okay. So, and I remember, again, we called all sorts of names for saying that. And so when Naledi Pandor came on as minister, you might recall, every single year in which she was minister dropped, okay. And I thought that reflected more accurately the state of the education system. Then comes Minister Motshekga, and would you believe it, the movie starts again. And suddenly it climbs straight up. And understandably people saying, but wait a minute, how is it that by measures of 6, 7, 12%, kids suddenly get smarter within 9 months? It doesn't happen in any system, because the system is too large. You can get that jump with 12 kids in a class. You don't get that jump with 530,000 kids in a class. It doesn't happen. You don't have to know basic statistics to know it's impossible. Okay? And so is this sustainable? Of course it's going to come down, is the question mark that I pose. But if you take the long view, you've seen we've been here before, and it doesn't look pretty. We must judge success against the level of pass, not the percentage pass rate. You see, if I tell you my research at this university has grown by 50%, what that could mean, if you didn't know to look for the raw data, is that I might have gone from 1 article to 2 articles. 50% is that. What you really have to look at, in addition, is how many would pass in a big system if the pass rate was 50%. And until this morning, nobody had that data. But City Press did some calculations with some senior stats people and figured out it would be 24%. Now remember what 50% means. 50% means that you only know half the stuff in your curriculum, okay? Half the physics, half the math, half the history. And if you just use half those ones, only 24% of the kids would have passed, as opposed to the 78.2% at the end of this year, when you're using 30 and 40% as a pass base. That's scary.